Hi, my topic is on mental health across cultures. To begin this conversation, we must ask, what is a psychological disorder? Usually, disorders are defined as rare behaviors that cause some form of impairment to the individual. The answer to this question can be a bit tricky, since different behaviors are viewed differently from one culture to another. There are also different customs and traditions in different cultures, so different disorders arise depending on the culture as well. Disorders that are common in some cultures but not across all include eating disorders, koro, amok, and hysteria. Eating disorders are more common in the Western culture. Predominantly among university-aged women, eating disorders stem from an intense fear of gaining weight and abnormal behaviors in an attempt to avoid gaining it. Koro is more common in the South China region and is a clinical disorder in which males believe their penis is shrinking into their body or females believe their nipples are doing the same. This disorder can even cause death. Amok can be found in Southeast Asian cultures and consists of a sudden, violent outburst followed by indiscriminate homicidal attacks that lead to brooding and eventually amnesia. Hysteria arose in Europe and was characterized by fainting, insomnia, paralysis, loss of hunger, and a tendency to cause trouble. This disorder was mainly among women. Although we have those disorders that arise from a cultural influence, there are many that have remained constant throughout time and across cultures. They include schizophrenia, suicide, social anxiety, and depression. These issues have remained constant, showing that psychological disorders stem from biological issues as well as social and traumatic experiences.